So this is the idea about 五行. And the little funny part about 五行, 5 basic elements is, in daily life, some Chinese, they are a little bit superstitious. So they may go to a fortune teller to ask about their future. So one of the things those masters may bring up is your 五行 lack of some elements, which is you may lack of wood, you may lack of fire, you may lack of water. And how to fix that is they may suggest you to change your name, which Chinese names are all in Chinese characters, and Chinese characters are combined by parts that's possibly with these characters inside. Like my Chinese name, 3 characters, all of them with water sign in it. So a lot of people, when they see my name, they joke about my name, say, hey Ice, is your 五行缺水? Basically, is your life lack of water? So you put so much water in your Chinese name. Alright? So this is called 五行缺 blah blah blah. So 5 elements, lack of something in it. And of course, we sometimes joke about it as well. You can say, 我五行缺 patience, 五行缺 humorous. Up to you. This could be fun to play with, no problem at all. So this is basically the second word about 五, which is 五行缺水, lack of water in the basic 5 elements. So 五行缺水, 五行缺水, 五行缺水.